English conversation. Listening and speaking practice. Free class 1. Hi, welcome to my English speaking channel. Nothing is impossible. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, listening and repeating these sentences will help you build your English speaking skill, improve your pronunciation and boost your confidence. When speaking English,
listen and speak to the sentences loud. Learn vocabulary and pronunciation. Watch this video multiple times. And remember, repetition is key. Let's get started.
आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या.
See what happens by and by.
अब आप बोलिए. हाथ हटाओ मेरे ऊपर से.
Get off me.
अब आप बोलिए. चलते बनो.
On your way.
अब आप बोलिए. वैसा बताओ जैसा है.
Tell it like it is.
अब आप बोलिए. मेरे दिल में आया.
It crossed my mind.
मुझे याद आया.
I recalled.
मैं तंग आ गई हूँ.
I'm fed up. Like, subscribe and comments.